Yes, track number 8.
Go, Veronica! Oh, my bad.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Christy, everybody!
I can use a dream over dream to a wish. Go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the cars on the smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time when you're faced to the blackness. And when you're staring at the phone in your back, and you hoping but the people never call you back. But that's just how the story goes. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your fans on the rails and the same,
What would you wish for if you had one chance?
so airplane, sorry,
Ooh,
right back at it by the end
Can we
of the
pretend
night.
that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Somebody take me back to the days before I got paid.
Come on, everybody, put your hands up.
Yeah, back when I was trying to get it to the subway. And back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays, we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wicked out of airplanes, then maybe, I'll go back to the day before the politics that we call the rap game. And back when ain't nobody listened to my mixtape. And back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is for the hater, what's up, Bobby, right? So can I get a wish to end the politics? And go back to the music and all this shit. So here I'm standing instead of we can make some wishes out of airplanes.
Can we pretend that airplanes